Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Adamma again here with you on Simple Short Steps. This is a recipe that will take care of your cold and flu symptoms like within 24 hours. Guys, let me first of all talk about the ingredients that we are going to use. All these ingredients are nature's gifts to us, and we have to try as much as possible to incorporate them in our daily diet, regimen, whatever you call it. So the first one is ginger. This is a root which has been used from time immemorial for skin, hair, and healing recipes. Ginger is one of the most potent nature's medicine. It reduces cold and flu. It is good for the heart. It treats inflammation. It prevents cancer. It improves brain functionality. It is good for muscle pain, menstrual cramp, arthritic pain, and all whatnot. It prevents nausea, high blood pressure, heart disease. It treats severe indigestion, just to mention but a few. Then comes lime. Lime is a citric fruit, of course, we all know that, and it's good. It's a very good source of magnesium and potassium. Actually, it helps rejuvenate the skin. It promotes younger looking skin, so to speak. It improves digestion, helps with weight loss. It's kind of, reduces blood sugar, reduces heart disease. It treats inflammation, and so on and so forth. It's also a citrus just like lime. It promotes hydration. It's an amazing source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss, improves skin quality. It makes for fresh breath, to mention but a few. So just so you know, also the skin of lemon contains more vitamin C than the juice. Okay, so you might as well think about incorporating the skin into your juices or into your smoothies or into your teas, like I always do. So the next ingredient will be mint leaves. Mint leaves are very beneficial. They are rich in nutrients. They may improve irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, which is a common digestive tract disorder. If you don't already know that, then it may help relieve indigestion, improves brain functionality. Also, it decreases breastfeeding pain, and then it helps improve cold symptoms. So if you do not have mint leaves, use peppermint tea. It works very well. Peppermint tea is just mint leaves in a bag used for tea. So we're going to start out by cleaning out what we're going to use. Of course, I'm cleaning out the ginger and just removing the skin. After that, I'm just going to keep it for later. Okay, then comes the citrus fruits that we are using, the lime and the lemon. So I'm just going to slice them in thin slices. I like to slice them thin like this because I feel they are easier to be infused into the water or into the tea, however you choose to put it. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to crush my ginger. When you crush the ginger, it's actually also easier to infuse into the tea instead of like throwing it in bulk or like slicing it. So this way you are kind of releasing more fluid, more water. So our tea is already steeped. I'm just adding all the ingredients that I'm using, and your tea is ready to be taken. But for decorative purposes, guys, I'm going to throw it in another cup and try to sieve it. But I don't usually do this, but you can do it, especially if you're serving it to someone or if you're serving it to your kids. Okay, but for me, I can like drink it from there anytime, like directly from that cup, and keep refilling the cup. So one thing you must know, do not throw away this until you have used it like 2 times, on the same day. Okay, so if you're like me and you are not usually satisfied with 1 cup of tea, then go ahead and do it like me. Here is honey. We know that honey is filled with antioxidants and they are very, very good for different health purposes. Here we are going to use it as a sweetener and also as an antioxidant in this tea. Okay, guys, you do not know the strength of this tea until you have taken it. Give it to your children. Like my daughter took it, and within 24 hours she actually took it 2 times a day, in the morning, and by the time it was evening she took another one. The next morning everything disappeared. For my son, who also had cold symptoms and flu symptoms for so many days, and kind of the medication was not really working, so I made this tea for him also. He took it once, like just once in the morning, and when he came back from school in the afternoon, it wasn't there anymore. And he even noticed it and said, "Mommy, I didn't sneeze in school, I didn't cough, I said, "What?" So guys, if you're out there and you're struggling and your children have stuffed nose, coughing, sneezing every time, this is a tea to make for them. Anybody can take this tea, adults, children, and it's sweet because of the honey that is added to it, and they will enjoy it. If you like this video, please share with someone. If you have learned something new from this video, please do share with someone. I appreciate my new subscribers and the old subscribers. Thank you also for ever coming back to my videos. Please guys, I'm going to see you in my next video with another exciting recipe. Just look at that. This is a different recipe, but this is a detox tea.